On Friday, January 28th, at about 1 p.m. local time, the Sakurajima volcano threw out large plumes of smoke and ash over the island of Kyushu in Japan. The height of the black smoke reached 3,400 meters. The volcano is located near the city of Kagoshima, with a population of about 600,000 people, and the locals experience feelings of anxiety and fear. Due to its explosive potential, the volcano is considered very dangerous and is under close surveillance. Sakurajima is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Its largest eruptions occurred between 1471 and 1476 and also in 1914. Japan lies at the junction of 4 tectonic plates, which is responsible for frequent volcanic eruptions and 20% of the world's strongest earthquakes.